Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get coatings in Monster Hunter World. Coatings are consumables, so you need to restock them regularly if you play WoW. The fastest way is to buy coatings from the provision stockpile in town. You can also craft coatings using materials through the crafting list in your item pouch or item box. If your main weapon is a bow, make sure to bring empty files and crafting materials during your hunt to prevent running out of coatings, since these are essential to your weapon. And that's how to get coatings in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.